Here we have the Taptes charger. Set of instructions. Some bumpers. Charger itself. Two USB cables. And this is the first generation matte charger. Instructions say to remove the pad and the bar existing. So slide this sideways to remove that. And don't need this cable anymore. And the existing pad can come out. Just to compare the existing Tesla pad, it's a little bit rougher texture, but it's about the same. And we feed that through. Not sure if we need to route those wires or not. Looks like they fit in the right hole there. I don't know if there's supposed to be play there or not, but there certainly is. Oh, you'll notice as we tilt that up, that gets pushed forward. Not sure if that's good or not. Put the bar back. Can't really push that bar because that's in the way. So, all right, moves a little bit. Maybe that's what those pads are for. They're not mentioned in the instructions. And as we push that up, that's just pushed into here. It's okay, it works. And plug it in. I'll probably leave my left one free for my dash cam, but for now, we'll test it. Looks like there's a light that's on, and I can't show you the phone because I'm recording on it, so we'll do that in a little bit later. I'm going to plug this in with a USB power meter so we can see how much current this is drawing. And we'll put the phone on the charger. Starts charging immediately. And we get an amber light to show that it's charging. Check the power meter. We see 5 volts but just 1 amp. So we're only getting 5 watts of charging. That power is confirmed if you look at the sysdiagnose file, which shows basically 1 amp. Just to show you that it does put out 1.5 amps with a lightning cable when plugged in directly. That's the full 7.5 watts. So the Taptes charger does not pull the 7.5 watts out of the 5 volts. It would need the quick charge 9-volt battery that they do offer as an option. This might make a difference if you're trying to run something like Waze. Otherwise, it's going to charge decently fast.